So here we are, back to the context graph. As you can see, we got some information about an Intel CPU, lots of performance information. We can see things like what socket it uses and how that's related to other information. Lots and lots of information. And we come back here, we have this agentic workflow that's using that data to step through piece by piece a build for a PC using a budget that the user, gave it. So we're now selecting a motherboard based on the build. I've already selected a GPU and a CPU. And this current flow is using Qwen 3.7 Plus. This is all deployed right now in Alibaba Cloud, which I'm showing you, which is why we're going to see models like Qwen Plus, GLM, etc. And we're going to walk through this build. I'm probably getting fairly close to my budget. I am. And we're just going to walk through this, and you'll see we continue to build this out. And depending on how you design this agentic workflow, you can actually have the agent make recommendations. You can, it's actually checking for compatibility. Sometimes it'll flag that there might be some components. It may actually flag that I've gone over budget here, but that's going to okay. I just want to finish this out. And let's just click some of these through. Yes, yes, yes. I know that I've gone way over. Am I almost done? One more thing, and we'll be done here. And I'm going to tell it I'm finished. That's my order total. Yes, I went a little bit over budget. It's going to try to upsell me now, which of course you can design your agent not to, or probably most retailers and brands, let's be honest, will. It's interesting. Some LLMs are more aggressive about the upsell than others, which is another interesting topic we're going to get back to. I'm finished with my build, if I type it right. And that's how you know we're really doing these, because I'm always bad at typing. And we get this button, we could place order. No, this will not place an order, but it could. Now, this panel. This is what makes it a context graph. Well, one thing that makes it a context graph. There's a lot of other pieces to that puzzle as well. But since people have popularized the term decision traces, we see a lot of talk about decision flows. That's exactly what this panel is capturing, is what products were shown in comparison to each other, the customer, which ones did they choose? And then you start seeing things like head-to-head matchups, cross-sell attach rates, all sorts of fun stuff that retailers and brands really, really care about. And we can even start summarizing this with decision context. And then we can even see that this particular product was most popular in a particular price range for a build. We can see that it was most often beaten by that product. And then we can see the most popular cross-sells. Really, really important information if you are a retailer or a brand. But you're thinking,